Every single cell in your body, all 37 trillion of them, contains a complete instruction manual for building you. That manual is 2 meters long, written in just 4 letters, and folded into something thinner than a strand of hair. Think of your body as a massive city. The cells are the buildings, and inside each building is a filing cabinet. That filing cabinet is the nucleus, and locked inside it is the most important document in biology: DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Don't let the name scare you. It's simply a long, twisted ladder. The sides of the ladder are made of sugar and phosphate. The rungs, those are the letters of life: A, T, C, and G. Here's the mind-bending part. Those 4 letters are arranged in sequences 3 billion base pairs long in every human cell. If you printed the human genome as a book, it would fill 200 volumes the size of a phone book. Now, within that enormous sequence, specific sections have meaning. Those meaningful sections are called genes. A gene is like a recipe, a specific stretch of DNA letters that tells your cells how to build one protein. Humans have roughly 20,000 to 25,000 genes. But here's the twist. Genes make up only about 1 to 2% of your total DNA. The rest, scientists call it non-coding DNA, and research is still uncovering what it does. So how does a gene actually work? It starts with a process called transcription. The DNA unzips, and a molecule called messenger RNA reads the gene like a scanner copying a document. That copy then travels out of the nucleus. Once outside, the mRNA travels to a tiny molecular machine called a ribosome. The ribosome reads the mRNA in 3-letter chunks called codons, and each codon calls for a specific amino acid, the building blocks of proteins. String enough amino acids together, and you get a protein folded into a precise 3D shape. That shape determines everything, whether it's a muscle fiber, an enzyme, a hormone, or an antibody. Genes are literally the architects of your body. Now here's where it gets personal. Your genes are inherited, half from your mother, half from your father. These inherited variants explain why you have a certain eye color, blood type, or even a predisposition to certain diseases. Sometimes genes have mutations. A single letter in the sequence changes. One wrong letter out of 3 billion can cause sickle cell disease, cystic fibrosis, or even cancer. But mutations also drive evolution. They're how life adapts over millions of years. We started with a twisted ladder inside a cell. That ladder encodes 20,000 recipes, builds every protein in your body, and carries your family's history across generations. DNA isn't just biology, it's the original programming language of life itself.